right, guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. But, dude, these are great. This car, obviously, you can tell by my steering wheel, desperately needs an alignment, which I'm gonna take care of probably next. You know, I do have the brakes to do. I'm doing the F80 brakes, and then I'm also doing the adjustable control arms. So I'll have to get an alignment anyways, but I'm still waiting on a few parts. So it's kind of like, I might as well just go ahead and get an alignment now so I can just really drive this thing. But these camber plates they feel really good, man. They feel really good. But the most important thing for me was that I didn't want any, you know, vibrations, any noises, and I'm not hearing anything. And I was throwing this thing around, dude, and I hear nothing, which is a common complaint with some people when they go over to camber plates, but these feel really good. Dude, this car just makes all the right noises. Like, I just love it. Every time I get in this car, I'm just so excited to drive it. Big thank you to a couple of you guys in the comments that actually recommended these camber plates, and they made the camber plates that fit the OEM spring dimension as well as the Öhlins spring dimension. So if you have like OEM springs or, you know, H&R springs or these Öhlins road and track coilovers, you can go ahead and get the Milway camber plates, camber caster plates, and you can run them on your car. They are super easy to install, obviously, just like any other camber plate. You don't have to remove the entire strut assembly shock from the knuckle. I just like to do that so I can have a little bit more control over what I'm doing when I put the camber plates on, and also I didn't want to get too close to the paint or anything. That's why you guys saw me pull the entire thing out, but it's not necessary. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Big shout out to the guys over at Milway for sending these out. I have these set to about -2-degree camber up front. I didn't mess with the caster at all. We can play with the caster when we go ahead and actually get the alignment done. But yeah, I think -2 is probably a good spot to be in. Maybe -2, -2.5. It's really easy to adjust them. You just loosen up the top nuts and you can move it in and out. So yeah, they work out great, but they're silent. Most importantly, I had a lot of people asking, do these make noise? I can confirm they do not make noise. If you run the correct spacers that come with it and everything, these should not make noise on you. So make sure you guys check them out if you're in need for some camber caster plates. But that is going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.